Bite him, Arthur. Don't rip his nose off. Bite him. Oh no, you bited him! Whoopsie! Come back here! Up, up, up. Okay, Arthur, here, look. Arthur. Arthur, I know you like that guy better. Here. Good boy. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Can you play with your sister? There you go. He's like to take the tags off. Good job. Uh-oh, Dahlia stole your oh no, man. You'll get it back from her, though.